Today we have a video from Body Cam Zero, and the title of the video is Man Walking His Dog Discovers the Unthinkable in a Field Behind a School.
Hey, so you can show me arriving.
Cleveland? Okay.
How you doing, sir?
We're checking up right now.
Understood.
If you go, you can see the case from back here. It's all the way straight to the back.
Close to that sign?
Yeah, see the little black
Straight ahead in front of me? Okay.
Straight,
It's
yeah.
a suitcase?
It's a suitcase. I've been walking past it for about a week now because I take my dog. I stay right here. I take my dog. I usually walk her through there and then come around here.
Okay.
And for the last week, she's been it was like a mound of dirt. She's been stopped and sniffing like a little too long.
Okay.
And today I was like, well, I'm gonna take it. I hope it's not what I'm.
Right.
And it was halfway buried. It's about this thick. It's about halfway buried. I pulled it up, unzipped it. I couldn't really see, and I opened it up and fucking hid.
Buried under the dirt it was?
Yeah, halfway.
Okay.
You can see a little part of it sticking out.
And you said you noticed it for about a week already?
Yeah, it's been sitting over there. It's like somebody buried it or tried to bury it. And like I said, I walk my dog over there, and she keeps stopping and she sniff a little too long.
Right.
You know, she sniffs stuff, and I'm like, I don't know what that is.
Right.
I'm not
Absolutely.
gonna fuck with it. And today I was just like, let me see what the fuck that really is.
Okay.
It's back there.
All right,
I
I'll
pulled
go.
it up so it's kind of standing up, and it fucking stinks like hell.
Okay. You right here at 670?
Yeah.
What was your name, sir?
Philip.
Philip? Okay. I'm going to check it out. I'll be with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, radio. Go ahead. Put me on the air, please. I got you.
Hey, are you still inside the district? Okay. I was going to have you grab my flashlight, but that's all right. When you get up here, if you go down 162, like I went up Saranac, 162, you can just pull in this parking lot for this Ginn Academy, and you'll see me back here. So I haven't opened it yet. The dude I talked to, the caller, he said that there was this suitcase partially like buried in the ground that he said he's been noticing for like a week, and his dog keeps trying to get to it. So he said that he pulled it out today and to see what was in there because it was kind of heavy, and he noticed like a head and hurry, he just left it and called the police. So I'll just wait till you guys get here before I open it. All right.
It's that dead body smell. Boy, it's foul. It's foul. Damn. Imagine that. Opening that and seeing a head. That's insane. And it's something that he'll never forget. That smell. If he's never smelled, about that smell, he'll never forget neither. It's chilling. It's cold, man. Cold, man. And then the cop just standing there, man. He know he smell it. Cause something like that, the smell would seep through the suitcase. The suitcase isn't gonna stop the smell. You know what I mean? Like it'll contain it a little bit, but still, if somebody was just walking past that, they would smell something funny. They would smell something off. It's not gonna smell regular. It's not like, oh, there's no smell, and then all of a sudden you open a suitcase and then the smell just appears. No, if you just regularly walking past that, you will be able to smell. You'll smell it.
Copy that.
I ain't opened it yet. I left my flashlight. Oh, you got a flashlight. We're gonna have to look and see. I mean, it's like partially buried. He said it was sticking out for like a week. He finally decided to open it up. I just want to see. Can you flash your light on? I just want to see if there's any blood or anything on it. No? Yeah. You on?
Yeah, I forgot. Oh.
You bring it closer. I can't
She ain't
see.
trying to smell it. They ain't trying to smell it.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, it is. It look like a kid.
Yeah. I can't. It's attached. It's just like full in the fetal position. No, frozen.
Frozen? Whoa, wait. Whoa. What happened? Wait, what's going on here? During the initial investigation, detectives with CPD unit discovered a second suitcase nearby. Ooh. The sisters. Wow. Furthermore, investigation identified individual as wow. Oh, they gonna get her together. Oh boy. Woo!
Watch it.
Come on down, hands up. Come on down, hands up.
Stripper pole in the living room. Oh man. Oh, she wow.
Anybody else inside? Got her?
The girl down. Got it.
Anybody else here?
Go ahead. You good? Okay. I got you covered. Just hold on one second. I'm gonna wait for the car to pull in so you don't have to. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. I got you.
This color? Is it upstairs?
Can you open that door? Yep.
Where's the bear at?
Sorry. Watch your stuff. Okay. You good? Yeah. Okay. Listen, okay. The types of crimes including police, all right?
The very first case judge on the docket is Leah Henderson. She has 2 counts of aggravated murder.
Good morning, Ms. Henderson. All right, so we're going to first hear from, regarding your bond, we're going to first hear from The prosecutor from the state, and regarding charges against you, charges that you are presumed innocent, on charges that allow for you to have an attorney without cost. And after we hear from the prosecutor, we'll hear from your attorney, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is an allegation of murder in 2 separate charges. It's alleged in this matter that the defendant did cause the death of her 2 daughters, 8 and 10 years old. The badly decomposed bodies of the 2 little girls were found in shallow graves in Cleveland in suitcases. Your Honor, the defendant is 28 years old. She scores a 1 and a 1 on the PSA, has no record noted on the PSA. Your Honor, based on the nature of the allegations and the charges in this case, I would ask for nothing less than a $2 million bond. I would implore the court to consider setting a $2 million bond, cash surety at this point, for the record. Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Public Defender.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Henderson is waiving her preliminary hearing on both cases, and I ask for the most reasonable bond you can give her.
Tell me a little more about her that you know.
Judge, she's been in jail 3 days, and as you've seen the public safety assessment, she's looking for a job and she has a place to live, and all of her life has been in this area.
This her public defender about to get cooked. What? The prosecutor, first of all, the prosecutor, she's a lady. And something of this magnitude that another woman caused to their own child, lady, only other women can feel that, right? Only women can give birth, So if they got children and stuff like that, they would know how much they love their children, yada, yada, yada. So this is something that's going to hit home. Like, it's like that prosecutor about to chew her ass, boy. And then you got the public defender who is just, yeah, could you give a reasonable bond? The judge like, well, any reason why I should give a reasonable bond? Like, that's it? Just give a reasonable bond? She don't even know what the lady do. She reading the paper. She's about to get cooked. Public defender, boy. Oh yeah, you could just see the difference. This girl this public defender look like she got about 1,000 cases. Okay? She got about 1,000 cases, ain't sleeping days, working on all her cases.
Thank you.
She no joke.
Madam Public Defender.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Henderson is waiving her preliminary hearing on both cases, and I ask for the most reasonable bond you can give her.
Tell me a little more about her that you know.
Judge, she's been in jail 3 days, and as you've seen the public safety assessment, she's looking for a job and she has a place to live, and all of her life has been in this area. Thank you.
Have you seen her PSA?
I have. I just said, yeah.
Let's go over that. So, no history of violence. History, 1-1. No history of violence. No convictions. No charges. Given the nature of the allegations, as well as my concern for the safety of the public, we will deal, the bond will be $2 million. Ms. Henderson, work with your attorney, go to your hearings, and fight for your innocence, okay? Good luck, you take care.
Good luck. 6 counts of kidnapping? Wait, what? Wait, whoa. Was indicted on the following charges: 6 counts of aggravated, 4 counts of murder. How's it 4? Is there more? Is there more kids? 3 counts of child and 6 counts of kidnapping and 6 counts of kidnapping? So there must be more people. How you get 6 counts? That's 6 people. Each count would be a. Oh, she evil. Oh nah, this is pure evil right here. Then you did this to you, man. See, now do you see the difference between? This is the difference between a public defender and a private attorney. You know, did you see the way that public defender is? You're just another one on the docket, like another one. She looking around trying to look, watch. When the judge asked her, could you provide more information? She looked like, man, it was a math equation. Like it was like some difficult math equation that he asked her to do.
For the record, thank you.
Watch this.
Madam Public Defender.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Henderson is waiving her preliminary hearing on both cases, and I ask for the most reasonable bond you can give her.
Tell me a little more about her that you know.
Look, her eyes got big. Tell me a little bit more what you know. She said, look. Oh, boy.
Tell me a little more about her that you know.
Judge, she's been in jail 3 days.
Oh, yeah, you better start looking around, boy. If my lawyer got to do all of that, that's how you know you're cooked. You're cooked. Your charges already is done. You know what I'm saying? You done, but you are innocent until proven guilty. But your old lawyer looking around for help, eyes got big for something as simple as, okay, you're asking for a reasonable bond. Can you provide, why? Some reasons. Do you have any? And that's so basic. She's looking around scrambling for help for something just that simple. You're done. Your life is over. But in reality, if you could get found guilty, you should just get one to the dome, just out of there. Check out, man. You do that to your kids, man. And then it seemed like there's other victims too, man. Like, sick. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.